Hello everybody, welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and this video I'll be showing you how to add a chart to your blank Excel page and how to format it. So let's jump right into the video. So once you open your blank page in Excel, so just click on insert, and you can see in the charts ribbon there are some charts. So I'll just first click on bar chart and insert 3D bar chart. Series name, okay, blank, add another one, add. All right, so and this series name is let's see, word, and series values to 10. All right, and this is PowerPoint and its value is 9, and this series name is Excel and its value is 7. All right, and I'll just delete and remove this series and click on OK. So as you guys can see, the word is blue and it's 10, PowerPoint is orange and it's 9, Excel is 7. Okay, so this I should edit the chart, and here's all right. So I'll just click on this painter button, and you could select any type of 3D style you want. I'll go with this. Alright, so it's more clear and nice. Click on select data to get your select data table, and you could just edit your data easily. Click on OK, and you could also change the chart by just clicking on change chart type, and I'll just link this to let's go with and maybe the area diagram, maybe this. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is an area diagram. You could just click and select any solid fill you want and give a nice border for your chart. Just change colors. Alright, so chart type and lines. Okay, so I think that the most suitable chart type is the column chart type. I'll just go with 3D, and here you go. So another thing I'm going to show you is how to format this and give this a nice colors. Okay, so I'll just click on any box I want, and for Excel I just give a nice yellow, or maybe for Excel I'll just give green, PowerPoint orange, and Word blue. Alright, so this line should be yellow, and shape outline yellow, shape fill is gonna be like nice gray, or let's keep it that way. Alright, so you just can give any shape effect. So I'll just give a nice blue glow. Alright, and the shape outline, and you could also add any word style for the words that you have typed. Go with this. Okay, just zoom in so it's nicer, and click on format again, and you could add any text box in the chart area and type anything you want. Alright, so a little bit mistake. Alright, chart table for tutorials, and go ahead and just give this a nice dark blue, alright, light blue. So I think that you could understand how to just add any type of details and add a chart to your blank page. Next I'll go with this 2D lines gram. I'll just go with this. So you could click any diagram or chart you want that is suitable for you. So just click on this and go ahead and just go with maybe this is so nice. Okay, so go with the combo. Alright, and well, so for my chart, actually, like, any of these are not suitable, so you should select any chart that is suitable for you. So I'll just go with this chart, and so if you want to just add an picture to this chart, just click on pictures and place over cells. Alright, and I'll just add any shape I want. I'll just go with maybe this shape. Alright, so I'll just add this picture right here, and click on page layout and go to the landscape orientation and click on background, and you could insert a picture to your chart in the background. Alright, so you could also give print titles and edit your page setup and just print it. Okay, and also I'm going to show you how to select the size you want to print. I'll just go with A4 and click on themes, and you could add any theme, so it doesn't matter because you're just printing this table. I'll just go to view and page break preview. So this is my first page. Alright, so and this is my second page. I could just add as many pages I want and add breaks to them. So go ahead and click on navigation, and you could navigate to any things that you have added to your sheet. So it's easy, by just clicking on navigation you could find anything on your sheet. Now just go ahead and zoom this, page break normal. And so I hope that you got an idea about how to insert and chart and format it on your new blank Excel sheet. So see you in the next video, and bye.